So now that we've got connected to the vehicle, we're ready to submit for this calibration on this 2020 Camry. And you can see that I'm connected. I have the Toyota Camry connected, and on the big screen monitor, you can monitor that on your laptop or your tablet or your phone as well. Again, the Connect really gives you the ability to manage this in any way you want to. Okay, so now we're going to submit a new request. So I touch the new request button. I'm going to submit a calibration. And on this page, it's asking me, do I want to submit to this 2020 Camry? Yes, so I'm going to touch an RO number. If you track using an RO number, you can enter your RO number there. You hit the check mark. It asks you for mileage. You can put it in kilometers or miles. Totally up to you, depending on what's appropriate. Ask me if there's any warning lights on. I'm going to say no. Ask me my preferred method of contact. You have phone, text, or chat. If you select phone or text, it's going to ask you to enter your phone number, and our remote technicians will communicate with you through that method. It asks you if you want to leave any notes. I'm not going to leave any notes in this example. It asks me the target system I used. I used OEM setup on this vehicle, so I'm going to select Other, and then it asks me to specify which system or calibration I want. In this case, I'm going to select radar without coding. It has all of the typical calibrations available for you to choose. I select that, touch outside the box, and then I scroll up here and it asks me if I want to perform a post-test following the calibration. I'm going to leave that at no, and we're creating your request. And so now Anthony has that request in his queue, and he's able to perform the calibration.